So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you could make up to $10 on every click which you do get right here with CPA marketing in the year 2023 and beyond, just by utilizing this website right here, which is called the Google Translator. So make sure you do stick on and watch this video to the end, because this video right here is going to be an amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of right now. It's also a 100% free strategy and a beginners friendly strategy. So make sure you do watch this video to the end, and without further ado, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So guys, if you don't know what this platform is all about, which is called the Google Translator, this is actually an online translator site where you can go on to translating from any language of your choice to any other language out there. I could just simply go on to translating from English right here to Spanish, and maybe if I do want to translate a text such as "give me your mobile phone," this is actually the translation right here. You can actually go to translating virtually anything to any other language of your choice. As you can see, the languages are quite numerous right now. So how do you actually use this with CPA marketing to go on to earning money? So you want to just simply head on to a CPA marketing platform right here. I could use the CPA group right now. I could just simply go on to logging into my account. Make sure you do go to the offer tools section and my offers, and you can just simply go to selecting offers from any country of your choice, but I specifically select France right here to promote offers to this demographic right now. You could also come right here and check out the offers right here. You could see that the payout right here to these offers are actually about $23 right here for every successful lead which you do get to this offer. But guys, this offer right here actually has a huge limitation, in the sense that it is actually a credit card summit offers. Credit card summit offers are actually quite difficult to get in conversions to, because a lot of people are actually kind of skeptical filling their credit card details on some particular website right there, which is why you want to just simply try out something which is much more easier to go on to getting conversions to, and that is actually the pin summit offers. You can see right here that the pin summit offers, for this offer you do get about $10.27 of affiliate commission for every single lead which you do get on this particular platform. And guys, all your leads actually have to do is to go on through a survey and submit their phone number while going on through a survey, or signing up and submitting their phone number, and you do get paid this affiliate commission right here using this your link right now. So I could just simply come right here. Because I don't know what this text is all about, I'm just going to highlight this text right here, and if I do copy that, I'm going to head on to Google Translator, paste that in right here, and I'll be able to see more details about this particular text right now. But guys, I'm just going to go on to changing this to Spanish first. So it's actually going to translate from Spanish to English, and you can see what it says right now. It says claim your card of 500 euros right here. And guys, you could just simply go on to taking this as an advantage. Since I do know more details about this offer right now, we want to just simply try as much as possible to drive traffic to this particular offer. And how do you want to do that right here? You want to do that taking advantage of CPA Grip content logging strategy. So if you do head on to CPA Grip, click on monetization tools, use the URL file locals right here, and you can then just simply go on to clicking on create URL file local. You could read through the terms of services, but I'm just going to go on to agreeing to the terms of services right now. Click on continue, and I can actually start generating my URL file local right here. But basically guys, what you need to take note is that you need to actually have something valuable for your audience right there, that they can actually go through your content locker or your URL file locker. Which is why guys, you don't want to just simply head on to YouTube. And if I do search for YouTube right here, go on to YouTube and search for the animal fields, you can actually see some cool and amazing videos right here on YouTube about animal fields. And basically guys, all these videos are actually having cool and amazing thumbnails right now, which you could take advantage of, because these thumbnails are actually kind of clickbaity right here. So you want to just simply go into selecting one of these templates or these videos right now and use the thumbnail. I could just simply select this video right here. If I do select the video, I'm going to just simply pause that in right now. I'm going to come to this section, click on share, and actually do go on to copy the link to this particular video right now. So once the link has actually been copied, so guys, if you do go onto YouTube and search for the thumbnail grabber, you will be shown a lot of sites right here which you could actually use to grab in this thumbnail. I'm just going to click on the first one right here, which I do see what I'm going to do right now is to paste in that thumbnail link right now, and do click on enter, and you can actually see the thumbnail right here, which you could then just simply go on to downloading. Supposing I do click on this one right now, I could actually go on to downloading that particular thumbnail on this platform right here. So I could just simply right click on that and just simply go on to clicking on save image as, and the image will actually go on to being saved on my device. You can see right here that this particular images actually look quite nice. So right now guys, what you want to do is to go on to generating a YouTube thumbnail on this platform called Canva. I'm just going to come right here, search for YouTube thumbnail. So if I just search for the YouTube thumbnail right here guys, I'll be shown a lot of templates right here which I can take advantage of for my YouTube thumbnail. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to go on to selecting one that is quite random right here, and actually do go on to customizing that. So guys, what I actually went on to doing was to remove everything from the screen and actually use just this image alone right here. So once I do put in this image alone, I can then just simply go on to add in a text such as the funny pet fails, and if I do copy this guys, I'm going to head back to Google Translator right here and actually do go on to translating that from English to French right there. I'm just going to go on to changing that to French right now. So right here guys, I'm just going to come right here, paste in that particular text, and you can see this has actually been translated. I'm going to come right here, copy the particular text right now, head back to my Canva right here, and actually do go on to pasting that in this section. So if I do paste that in this section, as you can see, this is how it actually looks like right now. I'm just going to come right here and actually place it in somewhere that is quite visible to a lot of individuals right now. So once this has actually been done, you could then just simply go on to clicking on share and actually download this image on your device. So guys, once this image has actually been downloaded, moving on to the next step will be to come onto this particular platform called the sites.google.com to actually go on to creating a very simple landing page right now. So what you want to do right here is to highlight this text, paste in that particular text right there, which is actually the text which says the funny pet fails. And if I do actually go on to making that bold right here, I could just simply go on to increasing the font size right now. And if I do go on to increasing the font size, as you can see, it looks something similar to this. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to double click, add in a text right here. I could also double click and add in images. So if I do come right here and click on that image, I'm just going to go on to uploading that image right here from my device. So instead of following this route, I'm just going to come right here, click on image, and actually do click on uploading. And right now I could just simply go to selecting that image. As you can see, this is the image right here. You could make that bolding. So right now guys, here comes the part where we do actually go on to making money right here. You then want to just simply go on to your CPA marketing platform right here and do paste in that particular link to this video content right here for this particular video. So if I do click on this video and just simply copy the link address to this video right here, I'm going to head on to CPA Grip, paste that in the locked URL, and actually do go on to editing this particular landing page based on my preference. So once I'm done, I'm just going to go on to clicking on save, and my landing page will actually be created. So once that has been created, I'm just going to click on get link, copy the link to this particular landing page, then head back to this section right here, which is actually the site.google.com. Actually go on to clicking on embed. I'm going to click on embed code and paste in that particular link right here. Click on next, and guys, if I do go on to clicking on insert right here, that particular code will be embedded right here on this particular platform. So what you want to do right now is that you don't want to wait for this to load successfully. So guys, I'm just going to drag that from this section and paste in right here. As you can see, the embedded code is actually still loading up, but once it's done loading up guys, you then want to just simply go on to clicking on publish. And if you do publish this particular platform right here guys, you can then copy the link to this landing page right here. So if you copy the link to the landing page, what you want to do right now is that you want to try as much as possible to drive traffic to this landing page. And how do you do that? Head on to this platform which is called the facebook.com, and you want to just simply go on to the see all group section. And right now guys, you want to just simply type groups that are actually related to French or to France right now. So if I do come right here and search for funny pets right here, which is France, I could also go on to searching for funny pets. And right now guys, you'll be able to see a lot of videos right here, a lot of groups that are actually interested in that right now. You can see right here that this group right here, which is the Pets Collective, actually interested in that. The GoFundMe also interested in that right there. So you want to just simply go on to as many groups as you can and actually go on to promoting that particular content locker or that particular landing page right there. So you want to just simply go on to as each group and actually go on to promoting that, and you'll be able to start getting traffic to this particular landing page which you do have right here. And if they're interested in actually watching this video right now, they're going to go through the content locker, which is still loading right here. And if they do go through the content locker, they will actually have to complete an offer for them to go through that. And if they do that, I do make some cool affiliate commission right there, and they do gain access to the video right here for this particular funny pet. And guys, this is going to be a win-win for everyone, because everyone gets what they want actually in the end right there. So take advantage of this strategy, start using this right now to start earning some passive income in the year 2023 and beyond. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.